Hello guys, welcome to day 2. First of all, thank you for giving support for last video, especially who giving likes and comments to that video. I am really thank you to them. And let's start today's video.
So this is the question today we have. Add binary. They give two binary numbers in the form of strings. We add them and get the sum. Again we view the output in the form of binary only. So I will explain this one. Suppose they give a equal to 1 1 and b equal to 1. The 1 1 is 3. The binary form of 3 is 1 1 and 1 is 1. So we add them. 3 plus 1 is 4. The binary form of 4 is 1 0 0. So this is the output they want. We get, if you get this one, please comment below. If you did not get, I will explain. Coming to solution of the question, it is not very difficult. I will explain clearly. Suppose they give a equal to 1 1 and b equal to 1. Do with normal addition. Suppose I will do with normal addition. What is 1 plus 1? 2. So 2 in the form of binary. We are dealing with binary, no? 2 is not present in the binary elements. We have only 0 and 1. So here we divide with 2. We have solution 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Coefficient is 1 and remainder is 0. We writing remainder here 0 and writing coefficient another digit, that is carry. We have carry which is by 2 and we have answer which is modulus by 2, that is remainder is answer and coefficient is carry. I think you understand. Again 1 plus 1 is 2. In the we have 2. So we divide by 2, we get the remainder 0 and we carry is 1, that is coefficient. So we have the answer 1 0 0. And coming to coding part, it is very simple. First we create one carry element. We want carry, no? So we create one carry from 0. We default 0 and we iterate with the last element, no? Here I explain this. We iterate from last. So we give some int I equal to first string dot length minus 1. We iterate from last. Length minus 1 and int j equal to b dot length minus 1. We have 2 points from 2 strings and we adding with carry. So we again adding, no, until we got last, until I equal to 0, j equal to 0, we are adding. So we given with while loop I is greater than or equal to 0 or why or, because this is, suppose this is 2 element, this is 1 element. If I is completed, j is not completed. So again we going to know that is why we given or, j is greater than or equal to or 0. And another thing we have is, suppose we completed a and b, we have carry 1. So again we didn't know, so we given another condition, carry equal to 1. So this is a while loop. So we adding 1 by 1. Suppose if I is greater than 0, we add with carry plus we are adding using unary operations. So carry with character a dot character I. minus 0 because we converted into character into string, no, character into int, so we are giving minus 0. Again, if j is greater than or equal to 0, then we carry with b dot character at j minus 0. And next we have what is I also already explained that we get the answer with reminder, we get the carry with coefficient. So I create, we again we get the we give the output in the form of string, no? So I create one string, some x string s equal to some empty string. I store the answer with reminder. So carry by 2 is a reminder, no, plus string. I store the answer in the string, and again we get the carry with the coefficient, no. So carry equal to carry by 2. Again, so we completed one first step. So we have another step, no. So we given I minus minus and j minus minus. So and finally we get the output, no. So we can return s. So s is stored in the output, and we can run this. Yeah. Accept touch case is after submit and submit. Right, submitted successfully. So we completed day 2 also successfully, and thank you for watching until now. I'm ready for day 3. Bye.